Hey everyone, this is Miss Hurd. I am going to show you how to use the online manipulative for two-step equations. When you click on the link for the manipulative, it's going to take you to this screen right here, and you will need to click on two steps. Alright, so first it says to set up and model the equation. So think about it. If you have 2x plus 3 equals negative 3, how many x's do you think that we need on the left side? That's right, we need 2. So I'm going to add 2 on the left side by clicking on the button. Now this says plus 3 or positive 3, so I need to add 3 ones. Notice how this matches this. Next, we're looking at negative 3. So I'm going to put 3 negatives on the right side. So I'm going to click on the right arrow and add them to my right scale. And we have a balanced equation so far. Once you click the check, I want you to isolate the x tiles. When you isolate a variable, you have to get it by itself on one side. Our variable is on the left side. So we need to try to get it by itself by taking away all of our positive ones. To take away a positive 1, you need to add a negative 1. Notice I'm adding 3 negative 1s to take away the 3 positive 1s. My last step is to split up the x's so that I only have one x for each row of numbers on the right side. And as you can see, 1x equals negative 3. Alright, we're going to do another problem, and this time I'm going to show you both with the manipulative and using what you would do if you were solving the problem by hand. So we're going to start out by modeling our equation, 5x plus 4, 3, 4, 5, and then there's my positive 4, and then on the right we have negative 1. Our first step again is we have to try to isolate the x tiles. So to do so, we need to get rid of all of the constants or all of our positive ones. We have 4 positives. So to get rid of 4 positives, we're going to take away 4 from each side. Remember, whatever I do on the left, I have to do on the right as well. And to help me organize my materials, I'm going to draw a line down here. Now I'm going to do it with my tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice how we had negative 1 here, then we added 4 more negatives, making it negative 5. When we had positive 4 and we took away the 4, we no longer had any 4s left. So on the left side, we only have 5x. So now we have 5x equals negative 5. Our last step is we need to divide the x's up so that there's only one x per number. So we're going to do that now. When we divide by 5 on both sides, we know that negative 5, change up my color so you can see it. We know that negative 5 divided by 5, sorry, I know it's hard to see, makes you have one x on this side. So we have one x or just x equals, and negative divided by positive makes a negative, so it's negative 1. And you can see here as well that we have x equals negative 1.